everyone, welcome to Aileen Bite Tips. 大家好，欢迎来到艾琳食艺。Today we are making Hainanese chicken rice, 海南鸡饭. It's a very famous Singaporean and Malaysian dish. Today we are making the Hainanese chicken and also the Turmeric chicken rice, also paired with 3 types of different sauce. Let's get started. The first step, we're going to wash the rice. I'm using 2 cups of rice here. Okay, and then drain the extra water. Use the wok, turn on to the high heat, and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Rinse. And add 2 teaspoons of crushed ginger. Okay. And 2 teaspoons of crushed garlic. Okay, turn the heat to the medium heat and add the rice. Okay, stir for 3 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. And add 2 cups of the chicken broth. And add 2 bay leaves. Okay, stir well, and then we're going to move the rice and soup into the rice cooker. Turn off. Okay. Okay. Okay, start cooking. Okay, this is a lemongrass. We only need half the lemongrass and use the top part. Then chop it. Okay, and then add the lemongrass on the chicken. Add 1 teaspoon of the salt for 3 pieces of boneless chicken. Also 1 teaspoon of the white pepper powder. Okay, let's wrap the chicken. Alright, marinate it for 20 minutes. Slice away the tip of the garlic. Also slice away the tip of the red chili pepper. Cut the lime in half. We are going to juice the lime. Right. Add 2 chili pepper to the food grinder. Also garlic and the ginger slice. And then add 4 tablespoons of chicken broth. squeeze lime juice. Okay, the lime juice is about 3 tablespoons. And also add 1 teaspoon of salt. And 1 teaspoon of sugar. Alright, let's grind it. Okay, grind it, chop it. Okay. Okay, and chop the green onion. Take away the top part and the bottom part. Okay, and put it in the sauce bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of ginger, crushed ginger. And 1 teaspoon of the salt. Also, 4 tablespoons of oil. Okay, mix together. Okay, the green onion sauce is ready. So now I'm going to make the soy sauce dipping. Okay, add 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of chicken broth. So 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And 2 tablespoons of white rice vinegar. Okay, mix well. And then the soy sauce dipping is ready. Okay, and use high heat, boil with half pot of water. And put the chicken, cover with the lid, cook for 10 minutes. Okay, after about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, the chicken is ready, and take out the chicken to put it in the ice cold water. Let the chicken sit inside the cold ice water for 20 minutes. Okay, slice it into strip. Here with Turmeric chicken rice.
Alright, so this is today's home easy to make version Hainanese
chicken rice, 海南鸡饭. You can easily make it at home and it's super delicious. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell. See you next time.